Yeah, but they're sitting down there. Your son is sitting row.
Thank you all for your patience. We're going to get started here in just a minute. Have y'all had a good day? Are you exhausted? I had a feeling. Yeah. Okay. I will say that someone left a purse, a women's purse, in the restroom upstairs on the main floor, floor 1. If you are missing a purse, please come talk to me at the end. We hope to find its owner before y'all go home. Okay. I think we're ready. Okay. My name is Mary Lou Ewald. I'm the director of STEM Outreach Office here at Auburn University and have been involved in doing programs like Science Fair for many, many years. So we're super excited to have all of you here with us on our campus, parents, students, family members. Thank you all for making the trip to come here. It means a lot to us, but it also means a lot to your child that you have supported your child to come and do this kind of work. So thank you all. Okay. Oh, I have to have a clicker. Where's John? Do I have a clicker, John? You have to do it from there? Okay, hang on. We're going to figure this out. Actually, what we're going to start with is we have these fantastic students. I think a lot of you saw their panel a few minutes ago, but former ASEF students that wanted to come up and give you a few words of encouragement. So come on up, y'all. Introduce yourself before you talk.
Hi, my name's Austin Norwood.
Hey, my name is Danica Lowe.
My name's Sarah Schleter.
Hi, I'm Suma Ijentkar.
We just want to take a moment to congratulate all of you for being here. And no matter if you win, lose, whatever the case may be, hopefully you take something from this and learn and strive to keep learning. The motivation in this industry really gets you through life. So, yeah.
I'll just say good luck and keep doing science.
Yes, good luck. I saw some incredible projects, so I'm really excited to see the results, and I'm excited to see everyone here next year.
Keep on at it and keep reaching for the stars.
Excellent. Thank you all so much. And hopefully you were able to see their panel. They're outstanding students and great models, role models. Okay. Let's see. John's going to help me here. Here we go. We're going to go to, we're going to thank some sponsors now. Yeah, there we go. Okay, Aptar. So we couldn't do this without these amazing sponsors. So we really do want to spend just a couple of minutes to thank our sponsors. All of the prize money that we give out, sending our ASEF winners to the international fair, all of that stuff takes money. Everything that you saw today, feeding the students, popsicles, whatever, right? We couldn't do it without all of these sponsors. So please give me just a few minutes to thank our sponsors. So Aptar is one of our largest sponsors this year, our gold sponsor. And we're going to go on. The iSTEM Connector, it's a new center at Auburn University, is a sponsor. Our silver sponsors, Broadcom Foundation, the FTPP, which stands for the Future Technologies and Enabling Plasma Processes in Alabama, are here locally at the university. We have the College of Sciences and Mathematics, also called COSAM for short. So if you hear people say COSAM, it means the College of Science and Mathematics. The Samuel Ginn College of Engineering, the College of Liberal Arts, the College of Forestry, Wildlife and Environment, and the College of Agriculture. So all of those colleges have supported this. They had judges here today helping. We had over 190 judges here looking at all the students' work today, and they had a great time. I'm telling you, they had a great time discussing all the cool research that these students have done. So we want to thank those sponsors. Okay, next. And we have Quant Hub. I think they actually had a booth. VCOM, that's the Edward Via College of Osteopathic Medicine here in Auburn. 100 Women Strong out of engineering, and a few more of our colleges. The Harrison College of Pharmacy, the dean of that college came by and walked around and saw some of the projects today. The College of Veterinary Medicine, and the College of Human Sciences. So those are all of our bronze sponsors that we want to thank. And then we also have partners. So East Alabama STEM Ecosystem, we're located in East Alabama. We've been working over the past few years to really bring together K-12, university, industry, all of those different partners that really can make things like this happen. So we want to thank the East Alabama STEM Ecosystem, the Department of Workforce in Alabama, and the Alabama STEM Council provided a lot of sponsorship this year for us to do the science fair. Data Classroom and STEM Wizard are both partners as well with their products. Okay, next. Oh, we just have to touch it? Technician. Thank you, teachers. Yeah. And I'm seeing some of the biggest claps come from parents because I know you parents appreciate how much these teachers put into these students, whether it's after school, whether it's on the weekends, whenever it might be. They care about what your child is doing, and your child would not be here without that teacher. So thank you one more time. Thank you, teachers. Okay. And also, thank you, parents, guardians. You also would not be here without them. So students, I'm sure the teachers appreciate the support you give your children to do programs like Science Fair. So thank you, parents. And then we also have some of our regional fair directors here. I don't know if they're in the room, but Chelsea and Matt, are you here from our ASEF? I think they actually might be in the other, they have a child, I think, in the other fair, so they're over there. But some of our fair directors from around the state have dropped in today, and they were very excited to see all of the things that were happening and all the great work of your students. And then thank you, judges and volunteers. We had an army of people. Yes. Army of people behind the scenes that made everything happen. Especially, let me see. Oh, that's coming up in a minute. Yeah, go ahead to the next one. I told you about the 190 judges, a lot of judges. Okay, COSAM Outreach. So COSAM Outreach is the office that really does host and put together a lot of this. And I'm not going to go through all of the different names, but I am going to make sure you know who Dr. Jessica Gilpin and Dr. Karen Dane are, because they work all year long to make this one day happen. So even though they're next door, give a really big, big round of applause so they can hear it. And this is perfect timing because the next one says, thank you, Auburn University. And we have a very special guest here today from Auburn University. This is his first visit to see the Science and Engineering Fair. We have President Roberts, and I would like to invite him up to give you a few words.
Thank you. Thank you, Mary Lou. Well, as we say here on campus, War Eagle. We are so excited to have you all here today. I've had a blast with this. I hope you have. Did you guys have a good time? Yeah? Yeah? I've been a faculty member here for a long time. Can you imagine this? I've been a professor here for 32 years. That's a long time. And I'm a professor of chemical engineering, but I happen to serve as president. In fact, I'm a professor with Dr. Davis over here. We're in the same department. And over those years, those many years, longer than you guys have been alive, we've been going to a lot of science fairs. We've been participating in science and engineering and math, technology classes on our campus, training the next astronauts, training the next people that are going to design AI of the future, the next generation of medicines. It's been an amazing journey to be able to watch young people like you grow up and make a huge difference in the world. Whether you want to be a veterinarian or an architect. But the common theme through it all is that you're using your mind, you're trying to be innovative, trying to make a difference to other people with your abilities, and you're trying to have a lot of fun. And I hope you had a lot of fun with this today. I had fun seeing everybody with it. And I got to tell you something. I saw posters today, and I saw projects that people were taking on and design projects. And I am so impressed. I am so impressed. It seems every year, the next generation of students that comes through, the quality of the work that you guys are doing is just all the stronger. And I want to tell you, I'm really proud of you. Really proud of you. On behalf of the university, I want to tell you that we are very proud of you all. And I'm speaking to both the parents and the students. To the parents, thank you for encouraging your kids. Thank you for challenging your kids and letting them participate in something that really stretches their mind. And thank you for making this fun for them to do. There's an expression or a set of expressions that I like a lot, and I'm going to share it with you all. They talk about a person's capability, what they're capable of doing. Your ability is basically determines what you're capable of. Your motivation will determine what you'll do. But it's your attitude that determines how well you'll do it. Now, all the young people in here, I hope you heard that. You got to have a positive attitude. You got to have a positive attitude that you can use your mind and your skills to learn things and use that knowledge to make a difference to other people. And you wouldn't be here in this science camp if you weren't able to do that. And so I'm really proud of each and every one of you. I want to encourage you all to dream the biggest dreams. We talk about that at Auburn. We work hard to dream the biggest dreams at Auburn. And I've seen graduates from this university go on. Just last week, how many of you kept track of the rocket that went around the moon? Huh? You remember all that? I want to tell you that there were a couple of Auburn engineers in mission control. A couple of Auburn engineers that were controlling what was going on with that spacecraft, and it successfully landed last night. I want to tell you that there was a whole bunch of Auburn scientists and engineers that were working in Huntsville, Alabama for years that designed the space launch system. And those kids started, or those grown adults started right here in these seats, just like you. Just like you. So I'm so excited to have you all here on campus. I hope you will see you here as students. I'll make sure that we engage with you all when you apply to be Auburn students later. Does that sound like a good idea? Would you like to join us? Yeah? Maybe we watch a little sports on the side, but we're really here to be scientists and engineers? Okay. That's what we do here at Auburn. All right. War Eagle.
Thank you, President Roberts. So exciting to have him here to see all the cool things that you all have done today and throughout this year. Okay. Next, John's going to help me push the slide forward to self-reflection giveaway winners. Yay. Okay. So I got to walk back over here. And there's a box somewhere, I'm told. I think it's maybe. Oh, late entries. Okay, mix it all up. Okay, I have two, we call them COSAM leaders. These are some of the best students in the College of Sciences and Mathematics. They are our COSAM leaders. There are how many? 16 of you all. And we have two of them here today to help us with the award ceremony. So we're going to let them pick out the winners. We have Natalie and Cece with us. Let's see, Natalie, hold on. Natalie is a microbiology. Yep, microbiology. Cece is biomedical science pre-med. So, really, really good students that probably did this kind of thing when they were younger, and they're going to pull out 5 winners. 5 total. 5 total. And so if you hear your name called, I've been told there are prizes somewhere up here. Do y'all realize I got this 15 minutes ago, and I'm figuring this out as we go along, and I apologize for that. But it's going to be great. It's going to be awesome. Anybody see prizes anywhere? Oh, other blue bin. Okay. Oh, yeah. Oh, good stuff. Oh, this is great. Okay. Hang on. Oh, yeah, we have some bento boxes for lunch. Yeah, those are cool. We have, I'm going to let, as we call the students, let them pick what they want. So we're going to put all 5 prizes out. Here we go. Okay, so we have these cool pencil cases to help you stay organized. These are really great. I actually have one too. And bento boxes. So if your name is called, you get to pick out your prize. Okay, let's see who we got. Y'all got them ready? Okay, here we go. I'm going to call them fast, I think. Reen Maflahi, Eli Clay, JC Summers, Skylar Knighton, and Antoine Williams. Come on down. And thank y'all for filling out the self-reflection. That really helps us out a lot. So we're glad to give out some prizes to encourage you. Okay, I think you could go to the next one, John. And I believe that one just kind of stays up there for a while. Okay. So we're going to do some special awards. So these were student voted special awards. And here's the way we're going to do this first one. So your students voted on each other for the, it's called the grossest project. The grossest project. So science isn't always neat and clean. Sometimes science can be gross and messy, which is part of the fun. This award celebrates the project that either was the grossest research process or results. The project you pick should be the one that leaves you impressed, but also makes you think, ooh. So that's what they had to go by. And so here's who they picked. And I'm going to invite all of these students to come down. I believe there are certificates, correct? Yep, so Cece and Natalie, y'all can kind of go up as these students come down, but we're just going to take one picture at the end of all these students, okay? But come on up when I call your name and then stay down here, okay? So, grossest project, Evelyn Atkins, come on down. And her project was called Will It Mold? Our next project, grossest project, with Save Our Strawberries is Lillian Hurley and Ann Muston. Come on down. And our next grossest project, Seeing the Unseen, Detection of Microplastics in Everyday Beverages for Karthik Pachabadi. And if y'all will stay down here, we will take a picture of all of you. Okay. Our next gross project, banana bathing. That does sound gross. Natalie Protz. Next, we have Pollution's Solution, wax worms. This is Ella Hobbs and Donald Kosak. Page turn here. Okay, next one, last one of the grossest projects with, let's see, Plaque Attack. And this is Justice Menon. Come on down, Justice. Okay, is Justice not here? He had to leave. Okay, do you know Justice? At the end, can you come down at the end and we'll give you anything that he might win? That'd be great. Thank you, teacher. Okay, let's get a quick picture. And these are the Good job. Good job on being so gross. Okay, this is our other Student Choice Award that they got to vote on. It's the most practical project. The special award description is, this award goes to the project that may not be building a rocket or curing a disease, The project you select for this award should be the one that has the most practical everyday application. Sometimes the most practical projects can have the biggest impacts. Okay, so we have multiples of these, and also I'm going to call you down. You'll get your certificate, and just hang down here so we can get a picture of the whole group. So our first most practical project is Nature's Pharmacy by Kirthani Pachavati. Our next most practical project, The Baseboard Rumba by Noah Freeman and Webster Griggs. Next, we have Cautious of Caffeine from Addison Green and Addison Harden. Come on up. Our next most practical project, Which Bulb Has the Best Light from Luke Buse. Come on up, Luke. Okay. Okay, well, hold on to it. Okay, and I think this is our last practical project award. Project Wind Drive by Devansh Goyal. I'm going to stand on this side now. So we don't get to those. Yeah, those are those. Yeah. And I will mention, if you know, oh, yeah, okay, applause. Yay. If you are a parent or a teacher and your student wins an award and they are not here, please come up afterwards. We would love to get it to its home, to get it to that student, because it's a lot more challenging to mail all of these out. So we'd love to get it to them sooner than that. Okay, we're going to start with our other special awards. First one is called the Limmelson Foundation, the Limmelson Early Inventor Prize. This award recognizes a young inventor creating a promising solution to real-world problems. The winner will receive a certificate and an award verification letter redeemable for $100 cash award. And our Limmelson Early Inventor Prize for the project named Hang In There goes to Adam DeBouse. And see how Adam is getting his picture. That's what all of you are going to do that win prizes. You'll open it up so we can see what the prize is, and then we'll get a picture made. Okay, our next award is the Broadcom Foundation Coding with Commitment Award. This award will go to a student whose project emphasizes how STEM knowledge and technology come together to create solutions that protect, preserve, save, improve, or promote quality of life or nature. The awardee will receive a $250 gift certificate to the Pi Shop and Raspberry Pi Pico Kit. Okay, our winner with Neuro Voice AI is Shugam Manoharan. And I apologize if I didn't pronounce your name correctly. Good job. Our next special award is called the Quant Hub Distinguished Data Scholar Award. This award recognizes a student who has shown exceptional proficiency and creativity in data science. The awardee will receive a certificate and a $100 cash award. For, let's see, middle school versus AI goes to Lily Mixus, Emily Snodsmith, and Kaylee Swanquist. Next one is. Okay. Congratulations. Yeah, I think there's 3. Okay, making sure I do this right. Yep. Okay, so next is the United States Air Force Award. There are 3 winners for the Air Force Award. So I will call all of them up and they get an Air Force prize and then a certificate from the Air Force. This certificate and special packet will be given to a student who shows excellence in science or engineering. So our first one goes to Zion Ashraf and Mohammed Nasher. Come on up. Next, we have Hazel Weber. Come on up, Hazel. And our last Air Force Award goes to Aisha Humara and Rikert Lindemann. Congratulations. Okay, let's grab a picture of all of those winners. Good deal. Okay, we're going to go on to the next one while they are getting their picture made. Good job. Congratulations. The next special award is called the STEM to Startup Award. The STEM to Startup Award recognizes a middle school student whose science or engineering project demonstrates strong potential to be developed into a scalable product, service, or solution. The awardee will receive a certificate and $100 cash award. And that goes to Anna Singh. Congratulations. Oh, yeah, get your picture. Yep. So Teddy, the wonderful Teddy here that's helping me, she's also our accountant in our office, and she reminded me that if you got a certificate, if I mentioned that you're getting a $100 cash award or some type of cash award, the information of how you get that award is a piece of paper in your certificate packet. So don't throw anything out in there, right? So there are instructions. It's behind your certificate. So be careful to look for that.
And most are Auburn paid, but some might be different.
Okay, most are paid by Auburn, but some there may be different instructions like the Navy or some of the other ones that have different instructions. Okay. Okay, thank you for that reminder, Teddy. The next one is the East Alabama and West Georgia local section of the American Chemical Society. This award is sponsored by the East Alabama, West Georgia local section of the American Chemical Society and celebrates creativity and understanding within chemical science. The awardee will receive a certificate and a $100 cash award. The project name is Rust Solutions, and it goes to Ingrid Rudolphi. Okay. Our next award is the 100 Women Strong Award, Achievement Award. It recognizes a student that exemplifies excellence through research in any category. The awardee will receive $100 cash award and a certificate. And that goes to Abigail McGriff. Oh, fabulous. We have another one. Our other winner is also $100, Hazel Weber. Come on up, get your picture made. Congratulations. Okay, our next award is sponsored by the Department of Biological Sciences at Auburn, and it's the Biological Sciences Award in Cell, Molecular, Microbiology, and Biochemistry Award. It recognizes an outstanding poster in those fields by a middle school student, and the awardee will receive a certificate and $100 cash award. And that goes to Aaron Shoemaker. Congratulations, Aaron. Come get your picture made. We have a second award from the Department of Biological Sciences that is for animal and plant sciences. So it recognizes an outstanding poster in the animal and plant sciences category by a middle school student. Awardee receives certificate and $100 cash award. And that award goes to Peyton Moody. Congratulations, Peyton. And we're going to move on to chemistry. The Department of Chemistry and Biochemistry at Auburn has an award for the top chemistry or biochemistry project. The awardee receives a certificate and $100 cash award, and that goes to Skylar Smith. Congratulations. Our next special award is from the Department of Geosciences at Auburn. Also recognizes high achievement in the area of geoscience, geology, geography, or environmental studies. The winner will receive a certificate and $100 cash award, and that goes to Darshith Paturi. Our next award is also from the Department of Geosciences, but this one is called the Geo Explorer Award. Recognizes high achievement in the area of geoscience, geology, geography, and environmental studies. Winners will be presented with a certificate and $100 cash award, and that goes to Corbin Perry. Our next award is sponsored by the Southeastern Center of Robotics Education, or SCORE for short, here at Auburn University. It's called the Innovation of Robotic Systems Award that recognizes a project that shows great promise in the use of robotic systems, and the winner will receive a certificate and $100 cash award. That goes to Kinsley Spencer. Congratulations to Kinsley. Our next award is the Department of Physics at Auburn University. They're the sponsor, and it's the Physics Award for Ingenuity and Inventiveness. This award recognizes a student who demonstrates an understanding of the laws of physics and how to use them to interpret and understand the world around us. They receive a certificate and $100 cash award, and the winner is Luke Buse. And we'll move on. Luke is not here with us, but his teacher will retrieve that for him. Our next award is sponsored by the Associate Dean for Research in the College of Sciences and Mathematics, and it's called the Innovation in Science Research Award. This award recognizes an innovative topic or innovative approaches in research methodologies for a science project. They receive a certificate and $100 cash award. That will go to Avery Petrie. Is Avery here? Not here. Okay, next is our sponsored by the School of Aviation at Auburn University. Hopefully you got to see their table during the expo earlier today. This award is called the Excellence in Research or Engineering in Aviation and Aerospace Science Award. It honors an individual who has demonstrated exceptional accomplishment in aviation or aerospace research or in the design, development, or engineering of an aviation or aerospace project. They will be recognized for their scholarly merit, innovation, and contribution to advancing the field. They receive a certificate of achievement and a $100 cash award. That will go to Tariq Al-Sabahi. Garage Science Award. JR20. Okay, good. Our next one is called the Garage Science Award. It is sponsored by the iSTEM Connectory Center at Auburn University. Many scientific discoveries or engineering marvels have happened outside of a laboratory. This award celebrates a student who created an outstanding project within their home or garage. The winner will receive a certificate and $100 cash award, and that goes to Corbin Perry. Okay. Our next award, while Corbin's getting his picture made, is from the Office of Academic Engagement, Innovation, and Opportunity in the College of Sciences and Mathematics. It's called the Spirit of Excellence Award. This award recognizes excellence in science research by a student. They will receive a certificate and $100 cash award. And the winner of that award is Miriam Zingle. There she is. Congratulations, Miriam. Good job. Our next award is sponsored by the Department of Mathematics and Statistics at Auburn, and it's called the Talent in Mathematics and Statistics Award. It goes to a project from any category that demonstrates a strong mathematical and statistical analysis. They receive a certificate and $100 cash award, and that award goes to Peter Diaz. Y'all be careful coming down those stairs. Don't hurry. Okay, let's move on to the Department of Aerospace Engineering Award called the Future Rocket Scientist Award. This award recognizes high achievement in research related to aerospace engineering, and the winner receives a certificate and $100 cash award. This goes to Andrew Sneed. Our next award is sponsored by the Department of Biosystems Engineering at Auburn, called the Biosystems Engineering Award. Hello. This achievement award recognizes an individual that demonstrates an innovative approach to application of math or engineering to biological systems. The winner receives certificate and $100 cash award, and that goes to Logan Rogers. Oh, okay. And Department of Chemical Engineering Award is next. It recognizes high achievement in scientific research fields related to chemistry or chemical engineering or applied chemistry. That also goes to Logan Rogers. Good job, Logan. I had to read that one fast before he went back up the stairs. Okay, next one is sponsored by the Department of Electrical and Computer Engineering at Auburn. This award is presented to an outstanding project in the robotic systems and communication technology category. The winner receives a certificate and $100 cash award, and that goes to Noah Freeman and Webster Griggs. And I will mention, if you are a group project, you split the award, okay? Their picture, good job. Okay, we're going to move on to the next one. The Auburn University Bee Center sponsors this award called the Bee Center Pollinator Stewardship Award. This award recognizes projects that align with the AUB's mission of promoting honeybee, native bee, and other native pollinator communities. The winner receives a certificate and $100 cash award, and that goes to Anwar, Intisar, and Reem. Congratulations. Our next award is sponsored by the Edward Via College of Osteopathic Medicine here in Auburn. We call it VCOM. This is called the Excellence in Medical Science Award. This award recognizes a project that shows great promise in the fields of medicine, health, and translational medical science. The winner receives a certificate and $100 cash award. That goes to Kadir and Brahma. Congratulations. Okay, our next award is sponsored by the Dean of the College of Sciences and Mathematics at Auburn. It's called the Future Scientist or Mathematician Award. This award is given to a student in any category who demonstrates a complete, thorough, and current understanding of a scientific topic during their interview. As such, the student shows great promise as a future scientific researcher and will win a certificate and $100 cash award. That award goes to Rory Rutherford. Congratulations to Rory. I'm going to move on to the next one. The next one is called the Outstanding Engineering Award, and it is sponsored by the Dean of the Samuel Ginn College of Engineering here at Auburn. This award recognizes a project in any category that demonstrates an innovative application of math or science to a societal challenge. The award winner will receive a certificate for their efforts and a $100 cash award. That award goes to Levi Lambert. Congratulations to Levi. Get your picture made. Our next award is called the Innovative Practices in Agriculture Award, sponsored by the Dean of the College of Agriculture at Auburn. This is a cash prize of $100 that recognizes innovative research related to soil management, crop production, or water resources. That goes to Avenida Deepak. Congratulations to Avenida. Our next award is called Excellence in Environmental Steward Award. This is sponsored by the Dean of the College of Forestry, Wildlife, and Environment at Auburn University. This award is presented to a student who has demonstrated outstanding commitment and innovative approaches to the conservation and management of natural resources, wildlife, or the environment. The winner will receive a certificate and $100 cash award. The awardee will also receive the RICO Sustainable Development Award and trees planted on their behalf by One Tree Planted. That award goes to Omar Aldabas. Congratulations to Omar getting his picture made. And we're going to go on to the next award called the Medical Interventions Award. This is sponsored by the Dean of the Harrison College of Pharmacy at Auburn. They are providing a $100 cash award for a student whose project aims to improve human health and longevity by translating novel discoveries in the biomedical sciences into effective activities and tools for clinical and public health use. That was a mouthful. And that goes to Roxanne Odom. Congratulations to Roxanne. Our next award is the Health and Wellness of Animals Award, sponsored by the Dean of the College of Veterinary Medicine at Auburn. They are providing a $100 cash prize in recognition of one research project that shows the most promise for improving the health and well-being of agricultural or human companion animals. That award goes to Justice Menon. Okay, our next award is the STEM for Human Wellbeing Award that is sponsored by the Dean of the College of Human Sciences. The Human Sciences Award is presented to an exceptional project in behavioral and social sciences that illustrates the role of STEM in understanding human behavior, social systems, and quality of life. This award recognizes research that integrates scientific investigation, data analysis, or technological thinking to address a real-world human challenge, reinforcing the idea that STEM is everywhere, even in disciplines centered on people, relationships, and communities. They will receive a certificate and $100 cash award. Got to turn the page. That award goes to David Delaire, Baron Maluk, and Liam Patel. Okay, our next award is sponsored. It's called the STEM and Society Award, sponsored by the College of Liberal Arts. This is presented to an exceptional project that bridges STEM practices with liberal arts perspectives to address real-world challenges. This award celebrates research that integrates data analysis and innovation with human-centered inquiry, reinforcing that STEM is everywhere. This award goes to, this is a $100 cash award and certificate that goes to Taylor Barron and Jenna Mitchell.
I know them.
Here they come. Congratulations. We're going to move on to the next award, the Boeing Innovation Award. The Boeing Innovation Award honors a student project that exemplifies creativity, technical skill, and problem solving through STEM. This award recognizes research or design that applies engineering, technology, or scientific analysis to real-world applications, celebrating the role of innovation in advancing aerospace exploration and global connectivity. The award winner receives a certificate and $100 cash award, and that goes to Devansh Goyal. Our next special award is called the Citadel Securities Innovation Prize. This award recognizes exemplified ingenuity. Do y'all have it? Okay, sorry. Exemplified ingenuity and innovation through their project idea, the goals, and or design, thinking creatively about how to solve problems. They receive a certificate and $100 cash award, and that award goes to Kinsley Spencer. So we're now going to shift gears and announce our placement winners of each category. I'm going to go through these quickly. I know y'all been here. It's been a long day. So I'm going to go through them quickly. Students can come up. We have folks to take their pictures, but I'm going to keep moving through them, okay? Everybody okay with that? Okay. Okay, I have to read what they wrote, though. Hold on. A judging panel of over 100, 200, it was 100 in junior, determine which project scored highest today in each category. The first through third place winners of each category will receive a certificate and an ASEF medal. So they're going to hand out those medals over there, our COSAM leaders. In addition, the first place winner of each category receives a $100 cash prize. The second place winner will receive a $50 prize. Students, if I call your name, please come forward to receive your award and then proceed to get your photo made. We're going to start with, hold on, Animal and Plant Sciences. Animal and Plant Sciences. Third place for the project What's the Limit goes to Fatima Khan and Vivica BJ. Second place for the project Lights Effect on Phytoplankton goes to Abigail Kraus. And first place in Animal and Plant Sciences goes to Ella Hobbs and Donald Kozak. Congratulations to those students. Okay, we're going to move on to the next category called Behavioral and Social Sciences. Third place for Matcha Thinking goes to Ranka Jin. Is Ranka here? Maybe not. Second place for the Speed of the Senses goes to Jan Cepeda Garcia. And first place in Behavioral and Social Sciences for the project, The Potential for a Productivity App to Aid Students in Overcoming Procrastination goes to Anna Singh. Don't forget to get your picture made. Congratulations to those students in Behavioral and Social Sciences. Next, we have Cell, Molecular, Microbiology, and Biochemistry. Third place in that category goes to Aisha Reza. Second place goes to Katharna Pachavati. And first place in Cell, Molecular, Microbiology, and Biochemistry goes to Amelia Ng. Our next category is Chemistry. Chemistry. Third place in Chemistry goes to Eric Hill. Second place in Chemistry goes to Durga Mamidi. And first place in Chemistry goes to Skylar Smith. Okay, our next category is Engineering. Engineering. Third place goes to Ava Lee. Second place for his project, Sir Scraps a Lot, goes to Morgan Williams. And first place for engineering goes to Devansh Goyal. Okay. Our next category is energy. Energy, which y'all are losing all of right now, aren't you? Just a few more minutes. We're almost there. Okay, third place in energy goes to Haram Park. Is Haram here? No. Oh, okay. Okay, second place in energy goes to Abigail McGriff. There she comes. Good deal. And first place in energy goes to Logan Rogers. Okay, our next category is Earth and Environmental Sciences and Environmental Engineering. Third place in that category goes to Omar Eldabas. Second place in that category goes to Emmeline Sutton and Brooke Baker. And first place in that category goes to Corbin Perry. Our next category is biomedical engineering and biomedical and health sciences. In third place is Johitha John Victor. Second place goes to Kadir Kishan Budwani and Brahma Mubarak Budwani. And I apologize if I have mispronounced your name. And first place in that category goes to Roxanne Odom. Okay, hang with me. 3 more categories. We're almost there. Next category is physics, astronomy, and mathematics. In third place, we have Jonah Jeffries. Second place goes to Karthik Panchavati. And first place goes to Sagar Yelamaraju. I like how they cheer for each other. Very enthusiastic. It's great. Okay, our next category is robotic systems and communication technology. In third place is Kinsley Spencer. Second place goes to Philip Madsen. And first place goes to Schlock Templin. Okay. Our last category is the Computational and Bioinformatics Sciences Awards. In second place, we have Kaylee Swankist, Lily Mixus, and Emily Snotsmith. And first place in that category is Miriam Zingle. Okay, great. Oh, okay. The Thermo Fisher. And this is okay. So our last set of awards is called the Thermo Fisher Scientific Awards. This is for the Junior Innovate Inventors Challenge. Now, let me describe what this is, because the students who win one of these awards, there's no money attached to it, but it's a second competition that you can apply for. And they do really nice awards, and you can actually win a trip to go to somewhere, wherever they're going to hold their competition. But let me describe what it is. The Thermo Fisher Scientific Junior Inventors Challenge is the nation's premier STEM research competition for 6th, 7th, and 8th grade students. The top 10% of junior division students competing here today at ASEF have the honor of continuing their scientific fair journey by applying to compete in the Thermo Fisher Junior Inventors Challenge. So you're going to receive a packet of information on how you do that, how you go about that, okay? So what we're going to ask for is students, I'm going to go through rapidly, call your names. We do want to get individual pictures of each of you, but we also want to get a group picture. So if you'll stay down here, that would be great. Okay, here we go. We're going to go through them fairly quickly. We have about 8 students, something like that. Okay, our first awardee is Anna Singh. Our second award winner for Breakwater Battlefront is Corbin Perry. Our next Thermo Fisher Award winner for the project How Much Energy is Retained Following Each Inelastic Collision of a Bouncing Basketball goes to Segar Yalamaraju. I'm going through them too fast. Okay. Okay, next one for the project title Project Wind Drive goes to Devansh Goyal. Our next Thermo Fisher Award title of the project is Pollution's Solution, Waxworms. This goes to Ella Hobbs and Donald Kozak. Our next award for the project is AI Gender and Racially Biased. It goes to Miriam Zingle. We have 2 more. For evaluating antibacterial activity of API-generated cure against E. coli goes to Emilia Ng. And our last Thermo Fisher Award winner with the project Allergen Injection War of the Woven Fabrics goes to Roxanne Odom. So congratulations. That is all of our awards, I believe. Teddy, have I given out all the awards? I think. Okay. Excellent. Thank y'all for hanging in there. We appreciate it. We hope you had a great day. Again, don't throw out that information in your certificate, right? There's information in there on how to apply for your cash awards. Have a great trip home. We hope to see you next year. Oh, okay. And for the ride home, if you'll like do this, fill out this survey for us. Just take a picture of that QR code, and you can do it in the car on the way home. Thank you. We appreciate your feedback.